Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for Stovepipe in Alabama on its new Galaxy DX2547 and the Crusherbuilt 4cx800, also known as the GU74B. We've married these two together. It's set up perfectly to run together. We did install the Lesscom channel kit, 40 up and 40 down. And we put that right there on the 919. Right there. RF power's right here. It's set up so that he can run a max of 500 watts or a minimum of 100 watts carrier. So let's just go ahead and get to it. 1000 watt slug, lower 500 watt carrier, low 950 bird average, 5000 watt slug peak. Hello, it's 2000 watts peak, okay? We'll roll the carrier all the way down, show what we got. It's 100 watts. Roll it up just a hair over 500. Slow, go down. It's a little over 2000 watts peak, about 950 average. Alright, Stovepipe, I hope you get many years of enjoyment out of this unit. My pleasure to set it up for you. If this is something like what you're looking for, give me a contact shout out at truckscbsales@gmail.com, and be sure to visit us on the web at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump.